you guys, welcome back. My name is Honey, and today I'm going to show you few things like 9 to 10 items which you should not spend money on, and these are just a waste of products and waste of money. Now this is totally my opinion, and after using all of these products I have made my own review, made my own opinion. But if you guys still want to try it, and if you guys want to spend your money on, it's obviously your money and it's your wish, you guys can. But I would say a no to all of these things. And yeah, if you want to watch, let's go. Guys, the first product is lip primer and lip balm. Now I pretty much feel that they both do the same work. I have tried both of them and I really feel that spending money on lip primer is pure waste of money. Now lip primer and lip balm are both the same. I'll show you the difference. I'll put the lipstick as well so you get the difference. Now one side I'll put the lip balm and lip primer, and now the other side I'm going to use this lip balm. So use transparent lip balm, that is better to use transparent lip balm. Also guys, here is the closed, there's no difference and I know there's no difference. And why to waste money if you have already transparent lip balm? Please ignore the voice, I can't really help. And let me put on the lipstick now. So now I'm going to add the lipstick. This is Faces Canada's lipstick. So guys, now as you've seen the difference, that there is no much difference in both of them. Actually, there is 0% difference in both of them. So I would say stop wasting your money on lip primers. Let's go to the next. Now second product is again for lips, that is lip scrub. I would say stop using lip scrub and stop wasting your money on lip scrub. Now this is just a hype, honestly guys. You can, you know, rather than spending 200 on this, I would say use your brush. So normally what I do is once I'm done brushing my teeth in the morning, I do brush my lips slowly and gently. Kindly please don't rub your brush on your lips, otherwise your lips are gonna tear off. So just do it gently, smoothly and nice, and once you're done, just clean it, and this is how beautiful it's gonna look. Your lips are gonna look shiny, no dead skin will be left, everything will be gone. And yeah, I would say brushing your lips twice or thrice a week is the best thing, rather than spending your money on products like this. So say no and bye bye to lip scrub. Third product is for eyes and eye cream, according to me. Now this is my opinions, okay? Eye cream is a waste of money. Maybe some brands are very good and they work, but most of the brands don't work. I don't see a good result, that they'll remove dark circles, they'll remove wrinkles and blah blah blah. No guys, you just have to get one simple cream. This is the Garnier wrinkle lifting cream. I'll insert the pictures all here. Now this cream is actually wrinkle lifting. So what we do is we normally put the eye cream, where we put, you guys tell me, just under the eyes, and this area, right? This is how the cream is, we just put here, right? But what is the use, you know, where normally we get wrinkles here? The first where we get a wrinkle is this area. So rather than using this, I would say just use this and you're good to go. This is going to do the work same. I know under eye has a different skin, you know, it is 7 layers thin, blah blah blah. I know everything, but honestly for me eye creams don't work. And I would say normally whatever moisturizer you guys use it on your face, just use that only and you'll be good to go. So stop using eye creams. If you still want to, you can, it's your own money. But yeah, I would say no and bye bye to eye cream. My next product is the eye and the lip mask. the eye and the lip mask that you get normally, and you pay like 75, 80, hundreds of rupees on just that one product. Honestly speaking, I have tried those products. I got them in fab bags and beauty boxes bags, and it didn't really work. Zero, I would give zero to it. एक बार में कोई रिजल्ट नहीं आता है, कुछ भी नहीं होता है, and they don't work. So those special eye mask and special lip mask are of no use. So guys, stop spending your money on that. In fact, if you want to do something and if you want something like that, there are I don't know, some brands have like 50 to 80 eye mask, so you can use that and throw it. So if you use it continuously, maybe you will get the result, but if you just use it one time and throw it, and spending 75 to 100 of rupees on that, I would say that is a waste of money. So stop wasting your money on that and say bye bye to them as well. Next product is this dry shampoo. Now if you follow me on Instagram on Make Musing page, I'll mention the page here. If you follow me there, you know I have used this product twice, and both the time for me it was like the whole day it was like मेरे को बहुत खुजली हो रही है, बहुत खुजली हो रही है. It was itching me like hell. It was literally itching me so much, and I just felt like maybe, I know this worked for a lot of bloggers, a lot of people. This might work for a lot of people, but it didn't work for me. So I thought this is a waste of money. Instead of this, I thought maybe, I'll just get up early, or maybe I'll just make a bun and then I'll go, or maybe I'll just do an instant hair wash and then I'll leave. So this is again a waste of money for me. But if you guys still want to try it, I would suggest take a small one and then try it. Don't spend your money on big bottles. Don't. It's waste of money. So first try the small. If it's working for you, then go ahead, or else say bye bye to this. My next product is powder, a talcum powder, and this Nivea gel, pure invisible, basically underarm thing. Now this is so freaking sticky on your underarm. So I'll tell you the whole story, okay? So I put it this twice, like I tried it, okay? I put it the first time, and just even underarms ban gaya. I was feeling it so sticky, and after putting this, मुझे और ज़्यादा sweat होने लगा, and that sweat mixed with this gel, and it smelled so bad, so yuck. And not only it was smelling bad, but it was, irritating me also, because it became a lot of sticky there, and I just got really very irritated. And I went to the washroom. I took the tissue paper from the washroom and I cleaned my underarms, because it was so yuck, so itchy and so irritating. And I was like, maybe now the second time what I should do is I should like let it dry for some time. So this time, the second time when I used this again, I applied it in my underarms. I waited for 5 to 10 minutes. It took literally 10 minutes to dry up. And once it was dried up, I wore my clothes and then I went. Now, time wasted, first thing. Okay. Second, after certain period of time, I again sweat. So I sweat a lot, and I sweat like hell. People who know me, they know how much I sweat. So I was sweating again and again in my underarms. It became like this, and this gel and my sweat mixed up and became more sticky, and I got more irritated, okay? So from that time I just stopped this. Let me just show you how this is. It is a waste of money, okay? Now see this. So see, can you see? This is how sticky, this is how it looks, and after a certain period of time now it becomes too sticky, okay? It becomes literally too sticky. So rather than this, I would suggest use a powder is much better. Now what powder does, any powder, this is Persona's powder, you can use any powder. What powder does, it soaks the sweat and it'll keep you fresh. It won't keep you sticky and irritated. So I would say, rather than using this gel thing, switch to powder. Powder is much better, convenient, low in price, and a good option. So say bye bye to this thing as well. Bye. I don't care if it breaks also. Let's go to the next product is body lotion and hand cream. I don't know why a lot of people spend their money on hand cream. This again I got in a beauty box. So I don't know why people spend so much of money on hand cream. Like, stop it, guys. What you got to do is just take your body lotion, put it in a small bottle, and whenever you feel drying, just remove it, put it on your hands, and that's it. You're good to go. And especially in country like India and Mumbai or Delhi, country which is hot, you don't need a hand cream. Yes, I agree, if you stay in US, in UK, or a cold country, Scotland or something like that, you need an hand cream. I agree with that. But people who stay in India, I would say stop spending your money on hand cream. It's a waste of money. Stop it, okay? And say bye bye to this. So guys, my next product is focus. So my next product is this Innisfree's serum, green tea seed serum, and this is numero 10 essence. Now people say that first you have to put this essence and then you have to put this serum, and I'm feeling so hot. Fan bhi band hai. Yeah, so first you have to put this serum essence and then you have to put the serum. Now I don't feel कि मतलब एक layer लगाओ दूसरा लगाओ, इतना time तो किसी के पास नहीं है. Like, I don't have so much of time to apply so much of layer on my face. So what I feel is the serum does both the work. ये essence का भी काम करता है and serum का भी काम करता है. So that's the reason I feel that essence is a waste of money, and what, it does nothing. Like, I've tried. Can you see this bottle? I have used so much. I'm towards the edge and I found no result. I couldn't get any result of it, like kuch bhi nahi. But at the same time, you've seen so much I've used this, like half the bottle, and I got good result of this. So after using these two products, then only I'm telling you that this is a waste of money. You don't need to spend money on essence. You can just spend money on serum, and serum is going to do both the work, essence ka bhi aur khud apna serum ka bhi. So stop spending your money on essence, okay? Say bye bye. The last product of things that I feel are waste and you should stop spending your money on are these brushes. Not on brushes, wait. Brush cleansing things. I don't know, a lot of people use those funky machines, brush cleaning machines, or the Nykaa say 200 to 300 ka thing you get to clean the brush, that, and I don't know what all things, like a bowl, uske andar you just have to put your brush and it will automatically get clean. Why you guys want to spend so much of money? Now what I do is, I can't find my letter pad. So आपके पास एक transparent writing letter pad होगा ना. So take that one transparent writing letter pad. I'll put the picture once I get the letter pad. I don't know वेदांत ने किधर रखा. वेदांत तूने किधर रखा सब मेरा सामान? God, when you have kids, it's so difficult to find things. So if I'm finding it, and if I get the picture, I'll insert it here definitely. So take the transparent letter pad, take a gun glue. You will get it easily and it is very helpful. Take the gun glue and make designs like this, okay? I'll put the picture here. So make designs like this, and then take shampoo. Take a bit, 1 drop shampoo, and take your brushes. Take all your brushes, and on that letter pad, now just imagine this is a letter pad, and just start rubbing them like this way, slowly, haan, zor se nahi, like slowly just do them like this way, and that's it. Your brush will be cleaned, pretty beautiful, just like new. You don't have to spend so much money on like machines and blah blah blah. So say no to all these things and start using this letter pad, gun glue, and that's it. Guys, tell me that which all things you think that are useful and are not useful, and maybe apart from this, what all things you think that are of waste of money. Let me know in the comment section. So yeah, that's it, guys. I think these were all 9 to 10 things which I thought are of waste of money, and still people are buying it. And yeah, I would say stop spending your money on these things. These are just waste of money. Okay, guys, so stop it right now. And yeah, if you guys found this video helpful and if you guys loved it, so please do like, share it with your sisters, brothers, friends, whomever you want to, share it with everybody. And to subscribe, please subscribe कर देना, because मुफ्त का है और हम Indians, we Indians love मुफ्त की चीज़, तो please subscribe कर देना. And yeah, that's it, guys. Love you all. Bye bye.